Hello, welcome to number 7 in this series of videos, the not nor nor, or the not nor nor, depending on what you intend to do. Right, let's have a look at what we're on about here. So here's the first example. So we imagine here, this sentence is specified in the rhetoric unit in year 7, where students read, amongst other things, Julius Caesar. And you can imagine here Antony perhaps saying, not the homes of the innocents, nor the public buildings of the forum, nor the whole of the empire will be safe from his vengeance. Well, if it's his, maybe it's my if he's saying it, or his if someone's saying it about him. And you can see there that we've got a series of phrases beginning with not, nor, and nor. Here's another example. Not the bonds of loyalty, nor the ties of kinship, nor the honour of Rome will sway my decision to protect the Republic. That's Brutus speaking there. And then a third example, not the flames of divine wrath, not the chains of imprisonment, nor the prayers of the righteous, nor the armies of heaven can deter my insidious mission to sow chaos and rebellion throughout creation. There we've got Satan speaking from Paradise Lost about his plans to do evil. So you can see there that in that third example we've got the additional not. So we've got 4 in total. So, right, let's have a think about what we'd need to teach in order to get those kinds of sentences. So, the first thing is to decide on something that should happen or will happen. Because we want to make it really, really clear that despite any obstacles, that's going to happen. And then we need to think of our obstacles. So what's going to happen and then what could get in the way. Each of those obstacles will be a separate noun phrase beginning with not or nor. There we are. So not's an adverb, just for clarity, and nor is a subordinating conjunction. So if you want a bit of technical grammatical information on that, then that's maybe useful. And then finally, we put in we add our verb phrase and we put in the thing which is not going to be prevented. So here's the example: not the homes of the innocent, nor the public buildings of the forum, nor the whole of the empire will be safe from Antony's vengeance. So what do we want to happen? We want vengeance, and these are all the obstacles which could potentially get in the way of that vengeance, but they're not going to. Okay, so let's go through a worked example. So let's think about the character of Cassius. What does he want to achieve in Julius Caesar? Well, he wants to get rid of Julius Caesar himself. He wants to get rid of tyranny, and he might have some nefarious motives to prefer himself, but basically he wants to protect the Republic of Rome. So liberating Rome from Caesar's tyranny is his objective. What are the obstacles to that? What are the things that could get in the way? Well, 1, stuff that Caesar might say. 2, his loyal followers like Mark Antony. And 3, maybe the allure of wealth and power might prevent his dreams from coming true. So those are our 3 obstacles. And then I'll just move my head out of the way so we can see this a little bit more clearly. You can see there, obstacle 1, not the threats of Caesar. And then we've got another not the sway of his loyal followers. That could be a nor instead. It's arguable which way around you do it. Nor the allure of power and wealth will make me waver in my steadfast commitment to liberate Rome from tyranny. And there we've got the whole thing put together. So let's think a little bit about effect. So doing this, using these repeated structures with repeating not and nor, really creates a sense of emphasis, hard to say sometimes, and this sense of defiance and determination. It really intensifies the impact, creates a sense of escalating determination and completeness. We're running through not every possible, but a whole list of objections or obstacles and refuting all of them. So hopefully that's useful. Thanks very much. See you next time.